Hello friends, today I'm going to show you get filter activity. Okay, so why we used to do like whenever whatever we are getting and we are unable to filter in that pipeline, right? So for that, if you want to filter additional, we have filter activity here. So to achieve this, first I will use get a metadata activity. First I will take one pipeline, okay, and I will name it as a filter filter. Okay, and like for this I need to get metadata activity. So for that, what I want to do, I want to get list of file names. Okay, so go to settings and here is there any, so okay, so I'm going to take new data set. So here blob storage is there, click continue. Yes, now here uh, ds underscore for metadata of underscore filter. So I'm using this one and selecting this test folder. In that I'm having three files. Okay, so this is done. Now, so what I want to filter, and now I want to filter all the items existing in that container. So if I click child items and click debug, so it got executed, it got succeeded. Now if I see output, see here is the child items emp svp and today.svp and today.txt. Three files are there and two are with .csv format and one is text format. Here I want to filter only the files which are with csv format. Now for that we need to filter activity. So just drag the filter activity and this one attach the success to the filter. So now go to the filter and here filter files, just name for our convenient files with .csv. Okay, CSV format. Now go to settings here. So here we are passing this R format, right? Items. So now what I want to get the names of child items. Just press that, click OK. Now we are passing this output, okay, to this filter as items. Okay, now what is the condition that I want to filter here? So here I need to filter with .csv file. For this, what I need to add, we can add the date. We can add the date contains. So here we have two arguments. Okay, this contain two arguments. One can just contain here. We need to pass this item dot. What are the files that we need dot name? Okay, we need to filter with dot name, right? So dot name, what is the format here? Dot csv. So this is the one of the way, and other way we also having another function, we will see that as well. So here I am dragging another filter. So upon success, this one as well to show that. Now just delete that filter. Now this is one done. Now select the dynamic child items. Uh, childhood items. Now the condition here, hence with. Now hence with this result contain two arguments. One is uh, item dot name comma dot csv. That is okay. Now click on debug. Just it got executed. It is getting currently metadata activity. So it got all three pipelines got executed. Now if I go with CA list of file names, here I am having three files. Coming to filter, this one CSV format, see it total items three and it is filtered only two, emp svv and today.svv. If I go here, sorry, if I go here, filter activity as well, item 2 and CSV format. I just to show the different expressions, I took the two filter icons, but whatever, if you can use only one, okay. And so this is what like filter activity works. I hope you may like this video. Thank you. Bye.